Hello friends, today we will discuss absolute income hypothesis, which is a consumption theory. The absolute income hypothesis is also known as AIH, proposed by J.M. Keynes, suggests that an individual's consumption depends primarily on their current absolute income, not on their income related to others or their expected future income. As income increases, consumption also increases, but at a decreasing rate because marginal propensity to consume is less than 1. We all know that MPC, that is marginal propensity to consume, and MPS, that is marginal propensity to save, is equal to 1. So 1 is the income which is divided between MPC and MPS. This means people tend to save larger portion of their income as it rises. So consumption function states that consumption, that is denoted by C, is a function of disposable income, that is YD, expressed as C is equal to A plus B. A is autonomous consumption when income is 0, basic needs. So if income is 0, then also autonomous consumption will take place because it fulfills the essential needs. B is the marginal propensity to consume, the fraction of additional income spent on consumption. So B is always less than 1 and greater than 0. MPC declines with income. As income rises, the proportion of income spent on consumption decreases and savings increases. Linear relationship. The hypothesis assumes a stable linear relationship between income and consumption in the short run. For example, suppose a person earns rupees 1,000 per month. According to this consumption theory, that is AIH, their autonomous consumption, that is A, is rupees 200 spent on essentials like food, even if income is 0. Their MPC, B, is 0.8, meaning they spend 80% of their disposable income. Using the consumption function, C is equal to Y. So C is equal to 200. Here 200 is C, that is basic needs, 0.8 is MPC, and 1000 is total income. C is equal to 0.8 into equal to 1000. So they spend rupees 1,000 on consumption. If their income increases to 2,000, C will be 200 plus 0.8 into 2,000, 1,800. Now they spend 1,800 and save rupees 200. The marginal propensity to consume remains 0.8, but the saving rates increases as income grows. So it illustrates that consumption grows slower than income. The AIH implies that wealthier individuals or societies save more, which can influence economic policies like taxation or stimulus package. For instance, giving a tax cut to low-income households may boost consumption more than giving it to high-income households, as lower-income groups have a higher MPC.